Well, today's the day at Patriot Subaru. Our courtesy shuttle, which has 405,000 miles plus on it, and still running, by the way. We figure it's about time we give it a rest. I've put about 250 plus of those miles on it myself. Gonna miss it, but it's time for a change. Hey, Steph.
Hi, John. Guess what?
What's up?
We've got a surprise for you.
Oh, no.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, come on this way.
Okay.
As a service manager, it's my job to help maintain your vehicle and get the most life out of it. And standing beside me is a great example of that. We have our Subaru Tribeca that has now got 405,000 miles. And sadly, we're saying goodbye, but we want to say hello and welcome in our new 2019 Subaru Ascent. This is going to be the new source of transportation if you need a ride home or you need a ride to work. And we're happy to give you a ride for anything that you may need.
There you go, guys. Let's fit on new shuttle here. Boy, this is nice. This is really nice. This 8-passenger 2019 Ascent got everything in it that you'd want. Besides that, it's Subaru safe. I like it.